In this video, we're going to look at an example without replacement. So what happens if we don't put the card back in? You draw a card from a deck of 52, do not put it back, then draw another. What is the probability that the first card is an ace and the second card is a 2? So if we think about it, first we have to find the first card being an ace. What's the probability of that? Well, there's 4 out of 52 in the deck. We can write 4 out of 52 for that. But what about the 2? What happens with that? We still have 4 2s in there, even if we pulled that ace out. But we only have 51 cards left in the deck. So we need to drop down that denominator. So we didn't replace the first card, so we would have 4 out of 51 for our second factor. That's what we're doing when we multiply the event by the condition. So we have 4 over 52 times 4 over 51. We can reduce that and have it as 4 over 663. Convert to a decimal if we want. It depends on the problem. But if we're allowed to round, we usually round out to 3 places, 0.006, and then convert to percent. So we would have 0.6% chance of getting that, which is pretty low. Okay, in this next problem, there's some you might like to try along with me or just watch how it's done. A jar contains 5 green, 10 red, and 7 blue marbles. 2 marbles are pulled out one at a time without replacement. What is the probability of drawing a green, then a red marble? So we have to be careful with this. We have to get the first probability, and then based on what's left in the jar, we can assess what the probability for the red marble would be. B is the probability of getting a red, then a red marble. So again, think about after you do that first pull, what's left in the jar. So you can pause the video and try that and see what you get. And then I will answer the question. I'll reveal the answer. Okay, so the solution for the first one, you would have 5 out of 22 for the green, and then 10 red marbles, but only out of 21 in the entire jar. Then reduce that, multiply and reduce, we would get 25 out of 231, and we can just leave that as a fraction. Getting a red, then a red, we have to adjust not just the denominator, but also the numerator. So we would have 10 out of 22 times 9 over 21. Because now we've already pulled a red marble, so there's only 9 left out of 21 total in the batch. So our answer would be 15 over 77. And that's it for this video. Have a great day.